Okay, so what we've got today, this is early morning. I've put some 2 chicken breasts skinless and 2 chicken thighs skinless but with the bones, and I'm going to boil these until they're all the chicken starts falling off. That'd be so delicious, and I'll show you what we're going to do after. So we'll see you soon. Okay, so we're back, and what we've got a chicken. I don't know if you can see that, but it's all got nice and flaky. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to drain this off, get all the chicken and shred it up, and separate this one, oh it's lovely, from the bone, and we'll bring you back when I've done all that. So see you in a minute. Okay, so for the next part, we've shredded up our chicken. I've got carrot, red pepper, yellow pepper, some onion, some snap peas or snow peas or mange tout, whatever you want to call it, some mushrooms, some chives and some dill. Now I'm going to chop all this up and get this all prepared, and the herbs I buy in a packet which is fresh, and I'll keep them in the freezer, and I'll take out what I need and then just pop them back in the freezer, and they stay for quite a while, and yeah, it's all good. So we'll see you in a minute. Okay, so we're back. We've got our chicken all shredded up, all lovely, nice, and we've got our dill and chives. We've got some garlic, and in here we've got some red and yellow peppers, some mushrooms, some snap peas or snow peas or mange tout. Got some white onion, and we've got some carrots. So what I'm going to do for this stage, a little bit of olive oil in the pan, cook this down a little bit. Obviously add the garlic and some black pepper and the chives and the dill. So we'll get cracking on that. So see you in a minute. Okay, so we're back, and what we've got, obviously we've got our chicken shredded, so I'm going to put this into this larger bowl. Superb. We're going to get our mixture of peppers, onions, carrots, garlic, mushrooms and snap peas. Put this in the same bowl. tasty already. So what I'm going to do is just let that cool down a little bit more. And I'm going to add some mayo to this. So we'll put this aside. I've got some eggs over there. I'm going to beat them up. I'm going to add some garlic granules and some onion granules. So we'll come back and we'll make some nice thin omelette crepe pancakes, and then we'll be back in a minute. Okay, so we're back. Just get a bit more in the clean pan. Olive oil. So we have that cooking, and what we're going to do is take some of our mixture and basically roll this over. Like this, and we'll do another 4 of those, and we'll be right back. Okay, so we have our nice little crepe pancakes done with our filling, and so what I'm going to do, just make up a little plate with some rocket salad, slice these up and put it on top, and we'll bring you back in a minute. Okay, so there we have it. We've got egg, like thin pancake egg crepe, whatever you want to call it, but really thin omelette with chicken mixed with mayo and black pepper, onions, mushrooms and peppers, and garlic and all that good stuff, and a bit of mayo. We've got some sliced pickled gherkins or pickled cucumbers, and some halved green olives. And the filling is really tasty because obviously I've already ate some, and yeah, nice one. Give it a go. It doesn't really take long, and it's going to be really tasty. So thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you all on the next one. Take it easy. Bye bye.